Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day here for gold, and want to get some things updated here as, actually, let me squeeze this down here because just to offer up a little bit of context here, that it's been pretty nasty movement over the past couple of days, just gap down after gap down. But at some point, you got to think that there's going to be at least some sort of, breath, and that breath meaning, an upside bounce. Now, I'm not saying a full-blown reversal, but as of right now, things are getting beat down quite a bit. And the level that really stands out to me that I'm very curious about moving forward is this area right here at 176.75, because this was a key level of support. And then this morning, you can see the price gap down and then broke down below there. And foundational rule in charting, when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So 176.75 is for that reason and that reason only. Like I said, just very basic rules and technical analysis would be the main area of resistance that, I would want to see the price try to fight up through and prove itself. Meaning, yeah, the price can bounce, but just because it's bouncing, that doesn't necessarily mean there's any sort of genuine strength behind it. But if the price can get up there and push up through there, again, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that for sure this thing's going back up to 185. But at that point, it makes a little bit more sense to be thinking, okay, yeah, the bulls are back. The price is picking up some strong, genuine momentum. So that level, in my opinion, at least, will be helpful, from answering things from that angle. As far as levels of support, though, let's squeeze down the chart here a little bit. And as you're about to see, things are going to get hard to see because it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But next key area of support to keep a close eye on is going to be that former breakout point, which sits right down there around 173.25. And then after 173.25, next key level down there around, that makes it easy, 172.25. So keep an eye on those couple levels going forward, and we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely quite a bit of downwards momentum showed up today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.